In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a table header on Confluence. Whether you're new to Confluence or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive in and ensure your tables are seamlessly organized with headers that stay exactly where they should. First, let's go to the Atlassian homepage, a hub popular among software, IT, and business teams. Once you're there, locate and click on the Sign In button. You'll need your credentials to access the platform, so make sure you have those handy. It's always a good practice to double-check your login details to avoid wasting time with login errors. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll see a waffle icon, often found at the top of the page. This icon gives you quick access to various Atlassian products. Click it to open the app menu. A drop-down will appear with several options, and what we're looking for here is Confluence. Click on Confluence to navigate to the dashboard. Now that you're in Confluence, you'll want to find the page where your table is located. Move your cursor towards the Pages section and click on Page to open up a list of available pages. If you have lots of content, use search or filter tools to locate the specific page faster. Once you've found the correct page, go ahead and click it to open. With the page open, look for the Edit button. It's usually situated near the top or side of your screen. Click Edit to enter the editing mode. This mode allows you to modify the content and structure of the page, including tables. In editing mode, direct your attention to the menu bar and find Insert Elements. By clicking on this, you can add various components to your page. Next, you'll want to search for Table. Use the search bar if needed. Typing Table will filter the results, making it easier to find what you need. Once you've located the table option, select it. This action will add a new table to your page if you're creating one from scratch, or it will modify an existing one if you're adjusting its settings. If you encounter any issues, ensure that your browser is supported and that you have the necessary permissions to edit the page, and that's it. By following these steps, you can easily fix or add a table header in Confluence. Now your data will be displayed clearly, and users visiting the page can quickly understand the structure and information presented. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.